Hey there, fact lovers, welcome back to 10.5 Facts with John. I'm John, and today we're diving into some super cool and surprising facts about a new topic. Get ready to learn 10 amazing things you might not know, and stick around until the end because I've got a special 10.5th fact that's mysterious and mind-blowing. You won't want to miss it, let's jump right in. And today we're talking about fascinating and unusual European festivals. Europe has some of the most unique and exciting festivals in the world. From food fights to cheese rolling, let's explore these fun and quirky events together. Did you know that La Tomatina in Spain is the world's largest food fight? Every year, on the last Wednesday of August, people gather in the small town of Buñol to throw over 100 tons of tomatoes at each other. It's a huge, messy, and fun event. Imagine thousands of people covered in tomato juice, having the time of their lives. The festival started in 1945 when a group of young people decided to join a parade with musicians. They started a food fight near a market stand, and it became an annual tradition. It's so popular now that you need a ticket to participate. They even have rules to keep everyone safe, like squashing the tomatoes before throwing them to avoid injuries. So, if you ever visit Spain in August, make sure to check out La Tomatina and get ready to get messy. The Battle of the Oranges in Ivrea, Italy, is another wild food fight, but with a twist. This festival happens in February and involves throwing oranges. It commemorates the town's rebellion against a tyrant in the Middle Ages. Participants split into teams, each representing different factions of the town's history. They throw oranges at each other to reenact the historic battle. The streets of Ivrea are filled with the smell of fresh oranges and the sound of laughter and excitement. Everyone wears protective gear like helmets and pads to avoid getting hurt. The festival ends with a grand parade, and the streets are cleaned up, with the leftover oranges often turned into compost. It's a colorful and vibrant event that brings the whole town together in a unique celebration of their history and freedom. Have you ever chased a wheel of cheese down a hill? Well, that's exactly what happens at Cooper's Hill cheese rolling in England. This festival involves participants chasing a 9-pound wheel of cheese down a very steep hill. The first person to catch the cheese wins, but it's not as easy as it sounds. The hill is incredibly steep, and participants often tumble and fall in their pursuit. Some even get injured, but that doesn't stop the brave cheese chasers. The event has been going on for centuries and continues to draw daredevils from all over the world. The winner gets to keep the cheese and has the bragging rights of being the fastest cheese chaser. Just make sure to wear some good shoes and maybe bring some padding if you decide to join in on this wild and thrilling event. In Austria, there's a spooky festival called Krampusnacht. On the night of December 5th, people dress up as Krampus, a horned creature from folklore. Krampus is said to scare away evil spirits and naughty children. The streets are filled with people in scary costumes, ringing bells and making noise to chase away the bad spirits. They carry chains and whips to add to the spooky atmosphere. The tradition is tied to St. Nicholas Day, which is celebrated on December 6th. While St. Nicholas rewards good children with gifts, Krampus punishes the naughty ones. It's a thrilling and slightly scary event that adds a bit of excitement to the holiday season. If you love Halloween, you'll definitely enjoy Krampusnacht. It's like a mix of Christmas and Halloween, with a dash of frightful fun. Las Fallas in Valencia, Spain, is a fiery festival that takes place in March. During this festival, people create large, elaborate papier-mâché figures called Fallas. These figures are often satirical and depict famous people or events. The festival lasts for several days and includes parades, music, and fireworks. But the highlight of Las Fallas is the burning of the phallus on the last night of the festival. They set the figures on fire in a spectacular display of flames and fireworks. It's a beautiful and dramatic event that lights up the night sky. The tradition dates back to the Middle Ages when carpenters would burn leftover wood and other materials at the end of winter. Today, it's a major cultural event that attracts visitors from all over the world. If you ever visit Valencia in March, don't miss the chance to see Las Fallas in action. Helly Aa in Scotland is a Viking festival that takes place in the Shetland Islands. Participants dress in Viking attire and parade through the streets, carrying torches. The highlight of the festival is the burning of a replica Viking longship. This dramatic and fiery tribute to the island's Norse heritage happens in January. The festival involves months of preparation, with locals building the longship and making their costumes. On the day of the festival, there's a grand parade followed by the spectacular burning of the ship. The event celebrates the Shetland Islands' Viking history and culture. It's a great way to experience a bit of Viking history and see some amazing fire displays. If you love history and fire, Helly Aa is the festival for you. Now, this one isn't in Europe, but it's too fun not to mention. The Monkey Buffet Festival in Lopburi, Thailand, celebrates the local monkeys with a feast of fruits and vegetables. Every year, locals prepare a huge buffet for the monkeys, and tourists come to watch the monkeys enjoy their feast. It's a fun and unique event that brings people and animals together. The monkeys feast on a spread of fruits, vegetables, cakes, and candies, laid out in front of temples and historical sites. The festival is a way to thank the monkeys, who are considered good luck and believed to bring prosperity to the area. The Monkey Buffet Festival attracts visitors from all over the world, eager to see the monkeys in action and enjoy the festive atmosphere. If you ever find yourself in Thailand in November, make sure to visit Lopburi and join the monkey party. The Wife Carrying Championship in Finland is a quirky and fun event where husbands carry their wives through an obstacle course. The prize for winning? The wife's weight in beer. Participants have to navigate through water, mud, and other obstacles while carrying their wives on their backs. The festival is held in the town of Sonkajärvi and attracts couples from all over the world. There are different carrying styles like the piggyback, fireman's carry, and the most popular, the Estonian style, where the wife hangs upside down on the husband's back. The event is inspired by an old Finnish legend about a thief who would carry stolen women on his back. Today, it's a fun and challenging event that brings couples together in a unique way. If you're looking for a unique way to bond with your partner, why not give wife carrying a try? Spain has some very unique festivals, and El Colacho is one of them. Also known as the Baby Jumping Festival, this event takes place in the town of Castrillo de Murcia. During the festival, men dressed as devils leap over babies lying on mattresses. It's believed that this act cleanses the babies of original sin and protects them from evil spirits. The festival dates back to the 1600s and is a fascinating mix of religious and cultural traditions. The event includes a procession with participants dressed in bright yellow and red costumes, jumping over the babies as they lie peacefully on the mattresses. The tradition is part of the Catholic feast of Corpus Christi and is unique to this small Spanish town. If you want to see something truly unique, El Colacho is a must-see. It's a blend of faith, history, and local culture that you won't find anywhere else. Lastly, let's talk about the Lemon Festival in Menton, France. This colorful festival takes place in February and celebrates the region's citrus industry. Large sculptures made entirely of lemons and oranges are displayed in parades and exhibitions. The streets are filled with the scent of citrus and the sound of music and laughter. The festival includes a parade of floats, concerts, and a nighttime parade with illuminated citrus sculptures. The town of Menton is known for its beautiful gardens and citrus groves, and the festival is a way to showcase its agricultural heritage. The Lemon Festival attracts visitors from all over the world who come to admire the intricate and beautiful citrus creations. It's a bright and cheerful event that brings a bit of sunshine to the winter months. If you love lemons, this festival is a must-visit. And now that we've covered 10 awesome facts about unusual European festivals, it's time for my favorite part, the mysterious and mind-blowing 10-point-5th fact. Are you ready? Here it comes. Did you know that there's a secret festival in Italy's Benevento known as the Witch Festival? Benevento is called the City of Witches, and for good reason. The town's association with witches dates back to the Lombard period, and frequent gatherings took place under a walnut tree. Hidden ceremonies and traditions have been passed down through generations since then. The initiates know that witches still gather here to perform secret rituals and celebrate their heritage. The details of these ceremonies are kept secret, adding to the mystery and intrigue of the festival. Some say the witches of Benevento hold the key to ancient knowledge and magic. passed down through the ages. The town is filled with legends of witches, and many believe that the spirits of the old witches still roam the streets at night. If you ever visit Benevento, keep your eyes and ears open. You might just catch a glimpse of something magical and mysterious, and maybe even be invited to one of the secret gatherings. Thanks for hanging out and discovering these facts with me. Which one surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing facts and stories, and check out the link in the description for more content. See you next time.